I had a job, but I was paying child support and I was just barely able to survive. Because of Home at Last in the Kitchen now, I'm in a forward road where I've got my own place, I've got a job, I've got a life, I'm paying my child support, I'm doing all the things that I need to do to be doing the right thing, and that's what's important for me.
Home Brave Motorcycle Rally is going to be at Post 639. We are working in conjunction with the kitchen. We have live music, we're going to have some motorcycle games, we'll have some pretty cool trophies. You don't want to miss this chance to help our homeless veterans who have sacrificed so much.